Hello students, as part of Module 3, Week 3, we have a food label activity. When you go to the module section on the Canvas course page, you will see there is a link for Module 3, Week 3 discussion, the food label analysis. Once you click on that, it will take you to this discussion post where you will be able to see what small group you will be in. If you look at this line, it will state what small group you are part of. And if you go through this, there is a description of what needs to be done. This is a small group activity. So within your group, students will need to find a way to communicate with each other, either synchronously or asynchronously, and work through the questions that are asked for this food label activity. And the small groups, since this course has several sections, students are divided into 28 small groups, about 4 to 6 students in each of these groups. So if you are from groups 1 to 7, you will use packet 1, 8 to 14, packet 2, 15 to 21, packet 3, and 22 to 28, you will use packet 4. So once you click on this, you will be taken to each of these food label activity groups. The first group is for fruit bars. The second group is for peanut butter. Third group is for crackers. And the fourth group is for cereal. For each of these groups, students will be given two different types of items under that same food group. Students will look at these food labels, ingredients, nutritional items, and address these questions listed here. You will look to see how the different types, the two types, will compare in terms of the ingredients, components, what the advertising will look like, components like that, and answer these questions comparing those two groups. So once that is done, each student will need to come up with a team leader who will try to put all these together, and this needs to be posted in the discussion section. So each team, each small group leader will post the results of your discussion as a response to this discussion question here. And then students will also need to use the same results that you obtained as a group and submit it individually under the assignment section, submit assignment. So the results that were obtained, please share it among students in your group, and each individual student will need to submit it here to receive the 6 points assigned for this group. And if you go to upcoming assignments, you will be able to see both of this. So the discussion group, you'll see who's in your group. And here at the end of the week, by November 21st, 8 p.m., please submit this so that you can receive all your points. Now, to know who's in your group, if you go to the discussion section for this activity, there will be a link that says people. Once you click on this, you will see all the students in their group and also how you can get in touch with them or email. If there is any reason for students cannot get in touch with the students in your group, please let me know and I will see how I can help. So that is the activity that is there for this week. Please email me if you have any questions and I'll be more than happy to help.